Welcome back, Rams.
How was your weekend?
It was good. How was yours?
It was good. I made it to the football game where we absolutely destroyed Cottonwood with a 54-0 score. Great job, Rams.
Insane.
It was good. Speaking of football, we have a game tonight against East. Go business attire. You gonna get that?
No, I can't.
Hello guys, welcome back to News at 8 with Henry and Elle.
And this is...
Well, how does the recent phone ban affect your mental state?
Upsetty spaghetti.
Security. Hey! Hey! And now Bob.
Thank you, Elle. And now to the news broadcast. Today, here at Highland, behind me, as you can see, we have a protest for phone rights in Highland High School.
Phones, we want our freedom. We want our phones, we want our freedom. We want our freedom. We want our phones, we want our freedom. We want our phones, we want our freedom.
My name is Ollie.
Ava, Grace, Alondra.
Have you ever wondered how to find tire pressure and how it affects your car?
Or where to check it? It's in the door jamb. After checking it, it's 30.
So we're gonna go here and attach it to the nozzle. And it looks like it's about 5 under.
Incorrect tire pressure will cause bad gas mileage, wear, and a pull.
What's your favorite class that you're taking?
My favorite class is probably AP Human Geography.
My favorite class is probably kindness class.
My favorite class is also AP Human Geography.
Oh, probably PE.
What are your thoughts on the phone ban?
I think we should have phones back, personally, because it's easier to submit homework.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah, it's really helpful for some classes, so we should have them back.
I think it could be worse like Texas, but I also still hate it.
What was your favorite class from high school?
My favorite class in high school was the child development classes.
My favorite class in high school would have to have been, I had a class called Impact Team, and we went to all of the elementary schools around and we did funny skits to try to teach them life lessons.
When I was in high school, back in the 80s, my favorite class was photography. Back then we did a lot of photography for the yearbook, so we got to go out and go to all the events and do stuff like that, which was awesome, and I really enjoyed that.
I like debate.
That was too long ago to remember, but I'm gonna have to go with art since I'm an art teacher.
And what is your opinion on the phone ban?
On the cell phone ban, you're asking about the statewide law? It's a really good question. I think that for a lot of aspects of your education, I think that it's a really good thing to remove your cell phone from your hand during class time. As far as it goes for things like gaming devices and music devices and things like that, I think that having some access to those things is sometimes beneficial to students, but I'm really glad to see cell phones getting removed from the classroom space. I think there's a lot of data that suggests that that's going to be really good for students, and I think we're going to see that same thing here.
I think it's a great idea to help us all stay more focused and attentive to our classes and our studies.
I think the phone ban has been an interesting change in the culture of our school. I think right now there are a lot of students that like taking a break from their phones, so I'm not getting a sense of a lot of resistance. Because it's a school-wide policy, I think it might be easier to implement than having different rules in different classrooms. So for now, I'm good with it.
I think the phone ban is definitely necessary. I, as a 53-year-old adult, get distracted by my phone, so I understand it can be difficult for teenagers as well. Tech is so awesome and such a great resource, but I think it can be really distracting for students in class.
I actually think the phone policy is great. My students are more engaged and everybody's working. It would be fantastic if they could use them the last few minutes of class, though, to take pictures of their art. But I'm pro phone ban.
Hey Rams, as most of you know, the Utah State Legislature passed a bill over the summer banning certain technologies.
It is always a good practice to read and understand any new laws your government passes, but sometimes it can be difficult. So today, Htvs is here to read it for you.
The bill defines what is considered a cell phone, a smartwatch, and emerging technologies.
A cell phone, according to the bill, is a handheld, portable, electronic device that is capable of transmitting and receiving voice, data, or text communication. This includes cell phones, flip phones, pagers, etc.
A smartwatch, according to the bill, is a wearable computing device that closely resembles a wristwatch, with the capacity to act in place of or as an extension of an individual's cell phone. This means that if your watch can text, you aren't allowed to have it.
The term smartwatch in the bill does not include watches that can only tell time, monitor a person's health, receive notifications without the ability to reply, or track the person's location.
The term emerging technologies appears in the bill, and basically it means any other tech that has the ability to connect to a phone.
The bill also talks about when we are and aren't allowed to access our devices. We are allowed to access any time, not during classroom hours. So passing period, lunch, and any after-school clubs that are not part of an extended learning programs are okay. Most flex time activities will probably fall under the category of classroom hours, so you can not be allowed to have your phones during flex time.
Schools also have the option to include both lunch and passing periods in classroom hours.
There are circumstances where you can access your phone during classroom hours. These circumstances are if you need to respond to imminent threat to the health or safety of an individual, to respond to a school-wide emergency like a school shooting, to use the SafeUT crisis line if you have an IEP or a 504 accommodation plan that includes using your cell phone, or to access a medical necessity.
No matter if you agree with the law or oppose it, we all have to follow it, Rams. If you really want things to change, you should contact the state legislature. Google the people who helped the bill pass and call them and give them your opinion. For now though, please follow the rules. Put your phones away and turn off your music. The generations before us could do it, why can't we?